Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete my ex account on Twitter. So before deleting your ex account, you may want to have a copy of your ex data. So this copy will include your posts, your media, messages, basically all activity on X will be included in that file. So let me show you how you can do that. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left and now scroll down to settings and privacy. Now go to section your account and go to download an archive of your data. Now sign into your X account, and after this X will prepare a large zip file for you which will include all your activity. Now, how to delete your X account? You want to go back, make sure that you're in the section your account, and now select an option, deactivate your account right here. Now on your screen you have some information regarding the activation of your account. And now tap this red deactivate button. Then you have to enter your password to confirm the action. And after this your account will be deactivated. And after 30 days of no login activity to your X profile, X will permanently delete your account and all data associated with it. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after deactivation of your account, it will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.